Yo, you ever built something so good you just give it away to a random kid at the park?
For the stand. Yeah, simple. You're good to go. Yeah, that's how every bike goes as well. Big bike. Okay, bye-bye, send it.
Yeah, that happened. So now I'm walking everywhere like it's 1892, my guy. But ain't nobody got time for that. Let me show you how I turned a $10 thrift shop Razor pocket mods into a literal menace. Surronster, I'm coming for you. So boom, kid takes my old e-bike, leaves me with depression and weak calves. I hit Facebook Marketplace like a man on a mission. And there she was, a dusty Razor pocket mod. $10. That's less than a fast food combo, my guy. I snatched it like it owed me some money. Mission, upgrade Razor overnight. Objective, ride again before dawn. Side quest, don't blow myself up. I get home, grab the toolkit. You already know what time it is, baby. Lefty loosey. That's the plastics gone. Frame exposed. Electric speed controller disconnected and thrown into retirement. The 24-volt motor, oh, she had to go. That thing was more tired than any motivation I got on a Monday. Alexa, play
Will You See You Again
for the old motor. With the bike upside down, I realized the MI 1020 motor didn't fit. Different bolt pattern. So what I do? I grabbed the electric drill and prayed, my guy. That drill started whining like an old child support. It took my whole life. Literal hours, but I made new holes, perfect fit for the high-speed DC motor. This motor right here, this beast used to live in my Rasta run. She got me 50 miles to the zoo and back on a day. Certified legend. Check out the video in the description or down below. Next, I throw in the 1000 watt electric speed controller from my parts bin. No idea what amps is pulling. Probably enough to toast bread. I ain't sponsored, so we take those risks. Throttle found in the bin too. But here's where the chaos starts. Throttle wires. Purple, black, and brown. Who designed this? Pizza Hut? Thanos? I googled it. Purple's positive, which means red. Black's ground, which means black to black. Brown signal, probably brown to green. Not exactly standard, but hey, it worked. Eventually. Let's talk lithium life. Lithium battery power. Two 7.8 AH scooter batteries strapped on like Ryanair carry-on luggage. Right now, they're twin setup. One for the trip out, one for the trip back, baby. Like a double shot espresso of danger. They'll be connected in series later. 72 volts of pure madness. But we keep it humble for now. Seats didn't fit anymore with the new battery pack. So guess what? Angle grinder, baby. Storage compartment deleted. Motor's got 2 wires. Easy, plug them. If it spins backwards, flip them. Science, bro. Throttle plugged in. Now the chain. Oh boy. Chain tension I held on for dear life. But the sprocket shaft didn't match. Bro, why? The original 24-volt sprocket's too small for the new motor's shaft. I tried fitting it anyway. Impatient energy. You know them ones. It made the motorcycle from the underworld noise. Loud, obnoxious, probably illegal. I kinda loved it. I'm tempted to leave it naked. Stealth mode, but nah. Let's keep it like a toy. Cops don't know what's under the hood. Let them sleep, bro. Everything's on. Battery strapped on. Motor bolted. Throttle connected. Ignition switch. Chain tension. Now it's time, bro.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great.
It's getting a bit sore. I'm getting old for this thing, bro.
I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk.
This is it. The moment of truth. 1000 watts. 1000 watts of lithium rage, bro. Tiny wheels, tiny little frame. Zero fear, my guy.
I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid.
Oh my god. I twist the throttle. Chain screeching like a gremlin. I take off like a cracked out hummingbird on 12-inch wheels. That sound, a mix between an angry blender and a swarm of bees. I'm on a rocket, bro. That's how you build a budget e-bike that could hurt feelings and scare pedestrians for under $100 in part with sketchy wiring and dreams. If you want to see the 72-volt Surron evolution, hit the like, subscribe, and pray I don't fry myself before the next video. And if anyone from Surron wants to sponsor me, I'm just saying, your boy got potential.
They call me a god. They call me a god.
fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out.
Yeah, we all just waiting for the snap, right? And you going down there. Hey, you wanna hit the thing again? Oh, tree, bro. Can I have a go? One leg on there still. Ooh, that gets you in. How'd you sit on this thing? Like, I didn't even get how. Oh, just not good. It keeps hitting it. Oh, shit, I'm gonna go back in the tree. Oh, Jesus. I went like that, yeah, and he took me back to the tree, bro. Oh, shoot. You know, it goes from tree to tree, bro. It's like badly designed thing. Maybe let's go that way, huh? Just don't stare me back. Ow! Yeah. Check out the bike though, yeah. 36 volts only, no. Check out the bike though, yeah. 1000 watt, did I say that already? 20 amps? That's crappy. I'm getting dizzy. A great ride. Imagine making that electric. It's a shame. Yo, we got duct tape on the door, bro, to keep it closed. You know them ones. Check out my window, man. Bro, I don't know what mad thing's going on over here, but yo, how about these? They came in 1.2s, 1 liters, 1.2s, and 1.4s. You get this 1.4, you know the intake. You drill holes in it, bro. That thing's kind of like boo for free. Just drill holes in the intake pipes, bro. Messes up your oxygen and fuel mixtures and all that, but it makes your car sound kind of sick. And you do get some kind of pops and bangs and things, bro. I thought I did myself a new bike then, bro. But there's some spare parts, like there's like handlebars here, you know, and forks in that. Will these little forks here fit on my ride? Yeah. My ride, bro. Anyways, I shouldn't be putting my fingerprints on this. I'ma keep riding, bro. This time I put a high-speed brush motor. I kept it brushed still.
This war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
Love and life.
No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but there's logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh!
You call me a god. You call me a god.
I don't know how to stop, I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty.
No one's taking my ride, bro. Come on, that's your thing. You can blend in with these, yeah? Ain't nobody taking your ride. But if I left a dirt bike out here or a Surronster or something like that, bro, my thing will be gone, bro. I don't know where I'm gonna put my coffee now, though. That's the only issue. Cause I had to do that to fit my... Let's see, will it fall out here? I don't think it will actually fall out. No matter what, it ain't falling out, bro. We got coffee. It's gonna clank and clink and clank and clank and whatever, yeah. But we got coffee. Woo-wee! On the streets, bro. Yeah, and off the street. Woo! Right turn here, cause my thing's loud, bro. It sounds like a motorbike. I swear. I didn't get off the pavements. Cause pavements, bro. Nah, that's when you're gonna like clunk it. Oh, look at the go faster stripes. Look how big this thing is, bro. Compared to mini-me right now. That thing is lit, bro. Compared to mini-me right now. But anyway, I'm trying to get on the road so I can actually send it. If I can get on the road, I'm doing a little left turn here. Yeah, let's go. Woo. We are prep on my shit. My thing very loud, bro. This thing legendary. You know what I was saying? I'm through, baby. Come on. Woo. Oh, my thing just snapped. Bro, brakes just snapped on me, son. No brakes. Bro, my brake just snapped on me, you know. What just happened? Rascal. Okay. So, hang on. That looks okay, bro. Oh, bro. No, it like snapped. Brake cable, full out. No brakes. We gotta take this thing back to the office. And not die with no brakes. So now I'm riding my modified thing with no brakes. I gotta go slow, right? No, bro. You know this channel. I'm so used to the brake. I'm gonna uphill grading thing. No brake thing. Me, bro. I'm like covered in this thing. Look at this. Look at this. What is this? And I'm gonna die over here as well because there's like a bear car over me. So anyway, this thing's been better fun. Because it's a Bella, baby. You know the Bella razors. That's what we call it, Bella fun. Broski. Anyway, you should keep moving, bro. Keep it moving. I'm hoping this thing slows down. It ain't slowing down for the junction, bro. I'm gonna die out here. Brake check, brake check, brake check. Ooh. Just to show you what I meant, bro. I'm like, get out of here. It's a bit noisy though. I gotta sort out my little tape tensioner because that noise right there. Oh my god. It should go silent. See that? This is how she's meant to be. Just cruising, bro. Cruising, bro. Anyway, blind turn, no brakes. Woo, I'm gone. Yeah. Helmet's on. And you're gonna meet me on the next video when we take this thing off properly. I'm gonna make it quiet so you can hear me. And I'm gonna come off the throttle because I got no brakes, right? I can't be using my foot pedal brake against the van. Do you know them ones, bro? So anyway, just before we go, yeah, I'm just gonna go off-road for a minute. Let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, no brakes. Can I come through? Straight through? Oh my god. Whoa, Jesus. Oh my lord. Alright, come on, let's keep it moving. Oh, a bit dark in here. Can't see anything. No brakes. I think the end is over here, so I gotta be careful. But anyway, little left turn here. Nice, bro. It's alright. Bro, this thing rolling. Oh, no brakes. We're gonna take this gravel. Oh my lord. Ah, power on. Oh, let's free. We're back on. Keep it moving. Gravel. No brakes again, bro. Come on. Oh, I wonder if I pull it, will it stop me? Oh, that didn't work out well, did it? Jesus Christ. What is going on? This thing's... Whoa, nearly stacked it, bro. Oh yeah, I keep going for the brake and I got no brake. It's bad. I can't believe how much torque it has over the grass, man. Like, look out the potholes on the grass as well. Don't want to hit the pothole and just go somersaulting and thing. I'm gonna come up the power and hopefully the grass actually slows me down. Man, this is lit. I'm not gonna lie. Totally lit. There's like a little off-road thing I found here last time, bro. You think our 1064 can take it? Nettles. Oh, fuck. God, damn it. Don't need to swear, bro. Ah, Jesus. Ooh, this is a bit small for this, isn't it? Whoa, why going at this speed, bro? Why you? Why? Yeah, I'm out. Ah. Bro, that was sketchy. This is sketchy. I don't know why I'm still putting the throttle. Oh crap. Send it. Whoa! Sounds cool. I guess we've lost the chain. Bro. Speed run again? Why not? Let's go, bro. Let's send it. Half throttle, 3/4 throttle, full throttle now. Oh my god! Woo! Okay, is a beast, bro. This is how you to build one. I'm gonna show you how to build one, bro. Woo! Wild, bro. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's go. Come on. Up here we go. No hander. No hander. No hander, bro. No hander. Acceleration. The acceleration, bro. We're moving now. Oh my god. It's a bit risky. I love how quiet the bike is still. Yeah. Get off here before I get caught by them. Holy, so some crap like that. You know them ones. Bro, I'm loving this 1000 watts. It's absolutely powerful. It's brilliant. To report water leaking through the dam. Oh my gosh, we found ourselves a dam. Let's not fall in the dam though. Yeah, you know them ones, cuz. So anyway, and I also don't want to scare the birdies. Check this out, bro. We got 39 volts, 39.9. We basically haven't moved, and I'm gonna try and be quiet for these guys over here, you know, because it's like families feeding ducks and all that, you know, them ones. So can I am so sorry. I'm so sorry, wildlife. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am trying my best to be like quiet. I am so sorry. I'll stay away from these. But I'll stay away from the wildlife. You know, you love this thing. Anyways, we carry on. We're going about 3 miles an hour. Should I send it? Send it! Oh god, dead end. Oh my god, which way? This way. Okay. Yeah, we go that way. Into the forest, baby. Oh. Come off the chain, it's so noisy, bro. Come off the throttle, sorry. You hear that? Like that chain's so noisy, bro. It's supposed to be silent, like this. Right, incognito. But instead, we get this. You know them ones, cuz? It's like doing my head in, bro. Because then it defeats the whole point of me. Oh shit! Why did you put my hand on the brake, bro? Oh, what's going on? Whoa, we're going off-road trailing now here. Okay. Oh! Back to reality. Bro, I need to stop crashing. Like this is getting serious now. Cause I keep crashing like in these forests where there's like no one, bro. What was that? Why would there just be? Why? Bro, I just pick up the baby, bro, which is still on. Oh, 39 odd volts, bro. I think the bike will actually go through this, son. Oh man. Okay.
Like, subscribe, and pray I don't fry myself before the next video. And if anyone from Surron wants to sponsor me, I'm just saying, your boy got potential.